you're seeing from silence na expand on top pa rin.
Well, it was a very emotional siguro championship just because ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. I think no one really thought na after championship tuloy-tuloy din agad and then we're gonna get another championship. And deserve talaga lahat ng girls yung mga awards nila and the championship kasi they really worked hard for all of this.
Was there ever any doubt for you na kahit wala kayo nga for the last two conferences na Green can still pull through in?
Oh, definitely. I think it's really that system of coach Sherwin also, and the team, the players, everyone in the Green Lane Cool Smashers, they really respect the system. Each and everyone from our management down to the utility and everyone. Yun din talaga yung nag-work. It's really the culture in our team. That's why kahit sino talaga step up.
And that's can we expect you next conference?
Hopefully, yes.
Thank you.
Definitely, I think it's really that system of Coach Sherwin also, and the team, the players, everyone in the Cream Lane Cool Smashers, they really respect the system. Each and everyone from our management down to the utility and everyone, yun din talaga yung nag-work. It's really the culture in our team. That's why kahit sino talaga step.
As of now, syempre, sobrang saya namin, lalo na kami, ako, hindi madaling kunin yung Grand Slam, pero nakuha namin. Thankful sa management, sa players, tsaka sa mga staff namin na talagang nandiyan lagi, 5:30 AM, 5 AM, so thank you talaga sa kanila.
Importante talaga yung championship kasi yun yung talagang pinaghirapan namin as a team. Everything else talagang bonus na lang talaga yun para sa amin. Kasi sa Creamline, like sabi naman ni Kylie, it's really one team, one family kami, and yung goal naman namin is not really individual pero manalo kami as a team. So yun talaga yung pinaka-goal, and super happy kasi nagawa namin to sama-sama, and happy because Erica can also leave on a high note and leave with another win. So,
I'm just ecstatic, but honestly, it's just been great playing with this team, and I think it's just a testament to how good my teammates are. So I was really lucky to come into such a talented team with such a great group of girls. But yeah, winning best outside hitter, I couldn't have done it without my teammates. Kylie, best hitter, like it's honestly just really a team effort. So overall, I'm just like Emily said, so excited that I ended on the right note here.
Siyempre happy, super happy talaga. Actually, ayoko na nga maglaro kasi ang ganda-ganda naman na nilalaro nila. Pero siyempre, ang haba nung nilaro nila this season, 2 conference na magkasunod. So, kailangan din talaga ng tulong. So, hindi man sa point, ayan, syempre, kumbaga sa magiging vocal ba, ganyan sa mga teammates ko. So, sana may naitulong, ganyan. Pero, yun, super happy talaga. And nakaka-proud ang lahat kasi hindi madali yung trabaho ginawa nila. Nawala sa Tilay si Tots, syempre nawala din ako ng mga ilang weeks. So, nahirap yung trabaho ginawa nila. And yun nga, dinala nila kami dito sa Grand Slam.